The difference between this lift and a commercial lift, for example, is that this lift here doesn't have doors on the lift car. It has protection on the open face so that the passengers can't stick their fingers out of the lift car when it's moving. A lot of the time they do go into existing homes. We retrofit quite a few, and because we can customise the size quite easily, it's not a big problem. In new homes, obviously you've got a lot more scope for design and size. There's a lot of features behind the scenes. A lot of them are to do with safety. For example, in a power cut, if you're in the lift and the power goes out, what happens? So there's a lot of intelligence built into the software to enable the lift to come down to the ground floor and let the passengers out. The maximum weight that a lift of this class can carry is 350 kilograms. So we've basically loaded this with probably just over 350 kilograms of concrete. Every single lift that we manufacture, we hook the hydraulic cylinder, the hydraulic power unit, and all the electronics up. We connect all the door strikes, the buttons and everything, and then we run it for probably half a day on a cycle, and it just goes up and down and up and down. This is the carriage mechanism that the lift car is bolted to. In between here there's a hydraulic cylinder. Basically pushes this carriage up and down. There's no chains or ropes or anything like that, so there's no need for any of that stuff to be serviced. We build the lift rails to suit the highest stop from the ground floor, and then all the stops in between are just done on the program. The first lift we ever did, which was about 20 years ago, it was a lift that we built for my mum and dad's place. The imported stuff was really expensive, and to be honest, behind the scenes it wasn't that great, it just looked nice. So we thought, no, we'll make our own. We're engineers, so we thought that's what we'll do. There are a massive range of colours. Black lifts with a timber floor is really nice and looks really sharp, as does white with a timber floor. They're from a New Zealand melamine manufacturer. Yeah, glass is popular at the moment. People who are building houses with nice views want to let the light in, but they also want to be able to see the view as they're travelling in the lift. As one example of a customisation, this lift will also have a mirror on here. We've got complete control of the quality, and as a rule all of our suppliers are high quality suppliers, so that means that we can provide a high quality product every single time, and we know right to the point that where it's installed that it's going to be right.